everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video tutorial. Today we are doing one more project using the Around the Bend bundle from the new January through April mini catalog. This is the bundle we used on our card class. There's still time to place an order and get those card class projects for free, or get the card class projects and a pack of the iridescent rhinestone jewels for free. So make sure to check back on that tutorial from last Thursday if you're interested. I will also put an ordering link below, but I wanted to share one more stamp set using some more of the dies and stamps, or one more project using dies and stamps. Hello, I know what I'm saying. Okay, we are going to do a brown and pink card. I love brown and pink together. We're going to start out with a soft suede card base. Then we have a piece of basic white to go on the inside. You always want to add a white piece of cardstock if you've got a dark card base. So we're just going to add that inside. Measurements for this will be posted on my blog. And then I'm adding a layer of soft suede that's been embossed with the that woodland embossing folder, or the wood grain, just to give a little bit of texture. This is kind of a shabby chic type of card. Just for some fun. Okay, and then I'm using a piece of designer paper. It's from the Dainty Flowers Celebration paper, but I'm going to use this pretty pink side. It's Blushing Bride, and then it also has a little bit of kind of like brown weathering in here, which goes really nicely with this soft suede. Okay, so we're going to stamp here. We're going to use this long edge with the polka dots, and I'm going to use soft suede ink. And this is actually a really long stamp, so it goes past what my block is, but we only need it to cover here. So I'm going to stamp this down fairly low, but not so low that my die's not going to cut nicely. All right, just like that. And then we're going to use the You're a Blessing stamp. Now remember, if you had watched on Thursday, this is how it comes. It's slightly bent, but I want it to be a little more bent. So I'm just kind of scooching it up a little bit so that it fits a little more nicely right in that dip. Right in here. You're a Blessing. So cute. Okay, we're done with stamping. Now we're going to do a little die cutting. So for this one, I'm going to use this little scalloped die, and this is designed to fit right in and cut out little scallops around each of those little polka dots. I am also going to cut a brown leaf out of our soft suede, and I'm going to cut a pink big daisy flower, and then a set of these little small flowers, just like that. Okay, let's grab our die cutter. Bring that in. Okay, let's get this lined up first. This is the trickiest one because we want to get all those little polka dots lined up. I think I need to go over one. There we go. Make sure that looks nice, even. Okay. Then we're going to put our Blushing Bride right here. Make sure I don't move that. Okay. And then we're going to do a soft suede leaf on top. Okay, let's grab our other cutting plate. Well, let's try to do this without moving it. Pull that out just a little bit. All right. Pull that in place. I usually like to go back and forth unless it's a real simple one. Look how nicely that cut right there. Perfect. Okay. All right, that's our die cutting. Just one swipe of the machine. Okay. Now, before I adhere this down, I want to add a little bit of, we're going to use the linen thread. I'm going to wrap it around twice. Once, twice. And we're going to tie it in a little bow right here. This kind of adds to the shabby chic look. Cute. And we'll trim this off. Get my ribbon scissors. Then make sure that's going straight. Okay. Now at this point, I am going to glue this down. Now I'm gluing it to right at the top of that wood grain embossed piece. So now we have kind of the same size border going all the way around. All the measurements will be posted on my blog. Okay. Well, usually I can flick that out. There it goes. Okay, there's one in there. That's the sound I'm looking for, that little ping. Okay. Now, we are going to pop up this large daisy. Now it comes with a center, but we're going to use this next size one for the center. Let's see if this will fit without showing. I think it'll fit. So we're going to pop up the center of that right there. And then I'm going to add my leaves, and I think I'll uh-oh, I used my ribbon scissors to cut that. That's not good. Okay, we're just gonna use a half on each side. We could put it down here, but it probably won't show too much, so I'm going to just put those leaves right to the side. All right, and then we're going to add a few of our iridescent rhinestones. I think I'm going to use a big one right in the middle to cover all those little holes that are in there. Then we'll do a medium. We'll do a medium right here, and let's do a small maybe right there, and one more small maybe down on the brown. And that is it. Isn't that pretty? Just kind of a fun little shabby chic type. My bows are always upside down. I need to tie them the other way to get them right side up. But we can play with that a little bit and pull the little threads underneath the loops. And then they'll come down a little bit more. Just spread them out, just like that. I hope you guys enjoyed that project. Make sure to place an order if you want to get a set of the card class projects for free. And I will see you next Thursday. All right, thanks everybody. Bye-bye.